Hi, thank you for considering exploring Quan 201, Quantitative Reasoning and Society class. This is a really interesting and important class in our days. We are being bombarded with numbers constantly, but how to interpret them, where they come from, and which number is a reality, we don't necessarily know. The question is, are we illiterate? Do we understand how the numbers work and what they try to tell us? This course will help you to explore that. Is designed in 5 different modules and focused on 5 different projects that will help you to explore different understandings of how data works, helps us, hurts us, or can be misguiding us. The course is intense, but at the end of the course, the students say they really learned a lot and it was a very useful course for them. I hope you'll join us.